Excuse me, ma'am. Pwede mo mula sa kung ka wala kakaupo na right? Yes. Ano ba? Na ay mga student na ganahan ng dance studios. Okay, sige. So, ano din ito yung mga students na nila sa school? Yes, ma'am. Okay, so before kami pahulamang kabalo na ba mo sa on pag-handle of school? Wala ang budget mo. Okay, so dali ba? Buwan kami sa on pag-care of school, okay? So first of all, if you will going to carry them to the school, make sure to use your hands. One in the arm and one in the bottom. And always remember na yung siya something sa inyong body.
So the first step in handling a microscope is you need to use your both hands. One arm is on the arm of the microscope, and the other arm should be on the base of the microscope, and it should be closer to your chest.
Another thing is if you will going to use the microscope, always clean it before and after use.
A pen, lens, or paper before and after using the microscope.
And sa ihapon na lens, do not touch the lens with your fingers because it may scratch the lens sa inyong oil and the dirt sa inyong fingers, okay? And for the magnification lenses, do not touch it also, okay? And the slides that you're going to put in the microscope, after ninyo na siya magamit, always make sure na inyo na dyan yun because it may scratch or damage magnification lenses. Okay? Okay. So, another thing also, don't forget now once you use the slides, you need to put the cover once you view the specimen to avoid also get contact with the microorganism and also to make sure that makita dyan ninyo ang microorganism in here. And another thing, always remove also the cover and also do not use the knob to avoid breaking the bones. Balo na mo! Sa inyo na naubos ako. Okay? Katapos na sa una ba ito microorganisms? Hala, lantawa! Nashoot mo! Hala, asa daw, be?
Ay, stable.
Naka-ayos microscope, no? Yes! Asa ka ito kabalo, ate? Di-discuss to sa among teacher sa microbiome. Di ay? Yes! Di ba? Wala na siya. Gusto na ni si Chiying? Uy, Chiying, gusto ka diha? Ay, akong gibahig kay wala na kabalo na ay mga unseen microorganisms. Ay, bitaw. Sige na, pamahin ka niya.